In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Google AI Studio in just a few simple steps. If you've been curious about experimenting with Google's latest AI tools, this is one of the fastest ways to get started, and you can do it right from your web browser without installing anything. Begin by opening any web browser on your PC. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari will all work fine. Using an up-to-date browser helps the site load smoothly and ensures you get the best performance. Once your browser is open, click into the address or search bar at the top. Type the phrase Google AI Studio and press Enter. In the search results, look for the official Google AI Studio link. It should clearly say Google AI Studio and come from an official Google domain. Clicking the first result from Google is typically the quickest way in. Taking a moment to verify the source helps you avoid lookalike pages and gets you to the right place on the first try. When the page loads, check whether you're already signed into your Google account. If you see your profile picture or your initial in the top right corner, you're good to go. If not, click the Sign In button in that corner. Choose your Google account and follow the on-screen prompts. If your account uses extra verification, complete that as you normally would. This step is important because Google AI Studio is tied to your Google account, and signing in unlocks your workspace, save settings, and projects. Once you've signed in, you'll have full access to Google AI Studio right away. You may land on a dashboard or welcome screen with options to start building, try a new prompt, or explore examples. Feel free to click around and get familiar with the layout. If you see any quick notices, such as terms or an introduction message, review and continue so you can reach the main interface. From here, you can begin experimenting with prompts, exploring sample projects, or simply getting comfortable with the tools at your own pace. And that's all there is to it. Open your browser, search for Google AI Studio, click the official link, sign into your Google account, and you're in. If you plan to come back often, keeping the tab pinned or adding a bookmark can make future visits even faster. With that, you're ready to explore what Google AI Studio can do and start building right away.